Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Veronica by Wreaths by Veronica. I was doing some last minute Christmas gift for a customer. So I wanted to do it, since I'm using my heat press, I want you guys to see how that's done. And right now I have the shirt on the heat press, and I'm going to move the camera down. And the materials you will need, you would need a cutter, for real. A cutter, and you will also need HTV, that's heat transfer vinyl. And once you get it on there, you're supposed to reverse it, and it'll come out where you can read it. So right now, you also need a Teflon sheet. So what I'm going to do now is place the Teflon sheet on the shirt for a couple of seconds. That'll take the moisture out the shirt. So I'm going to put it down a couple of seconds, and it's done. Lift it up. So the moisture is out of the shirt. So I'm just going to straighten it out. Everything is laid down. So I'm going to tilt the camera down. As you can see, the shirt is there. Normally you do 3 fingers right here. So I'm going to put my 3 fingers there. Uh-oh, hold on. That came off, but that's an easy fix. Remember, it's transfer vinyl, so we can do that. Heat transfer vinyl. Like I said, I'm not perfect. It's all learning. So I do make mistakes on here. And this shirt here is for me. It is a Valentine shirt. Because for we know it's Valentine already again. So I said, since I'm making things for customers, make me a shirt while I'm at it. So there we go. Have it all back in place. 3 fingers down. The joker still want to act up. So what I'm going to do is do this. Just place it down. Make sure I'm 3 fingers. I can bring it down just a little bit more. Like that. It normally is supposed to stick, but it's acting up today. Maybe because I'm on camera, but that is okay. There we go. Got it all lined up. And just want to make sure that we are all even. I'm going to cut the light on so I can see a little more. Maybe you guys can see better as well. I have this leveling tool here. I got it for cutting corners. I got this where you can place this on your t-shirt to make sure you're centered. And as it look, I am centered. So I just like to double check, because once you press it, it's a done deal. Okay. So, and they have glitter all over here, but don't worry, it will not get on the shirt at all. And as you notice, I'm wearing my Deuce and Dap shirt that I discussed with you guys yesterday. This is the black one with the red on there. I like it. I love it. If you guys are interested in getting a shirt, go on their website, Deuce or Dap. They on all social media. They are on Facebook, Instagram. And I'm going to show you their card again so you can get the correct spelling. It's Deuce and Dap. That's exactly what it is. Bring it back a little bit more. I don't want to be too close to you guys. These are them. They are excellent. T-shirts, hats. Just go on there. They have a lot of good, interesting things on there. It's very nice. Good quality shirts. That's what we need. So I'm doing a 2. I'm doing a layering. You know, when you layer, you have to press it down for a couple of seconds and bring it up. So I'm going to bring this down for a couple of seconds. Up. Take the Teflon sheet off. And I'm going to take this off. Like that. Now we're going to have a couple of more pieces to put on here. This is layering, like I was discussing earlier. This is called layering, when you put two different types on there. I'm doing glitter and glitter. Now you cannot do glitter on top of glitter, which I'm not doing. I'm just doing it at a different side. So I just want to cut this off just a little bit more, because I don't want the glitter to go on top of my other one. So what I'm doing, just continue to cut it. And I'm going to place it right here. The glitter is not on it. I just got the crown right up there. Okay, again, place your Teflon sheet. Couple of seconds. Take up, remove the Teflon sheet, remove the plastic from the heat transfer vinyl. Now I'm going to do a complete heat on it. That's going to be a total of 7 minutes. Bring it down. And it will beep when it's done. There it is. That was 8 seconds. So I heated it all together. And this is what we have. Isn't it cute? Queens of Hearts. This is my Valentine shirt. Hope you guys enjoyed that little quick tutorial. So I will be doing more of those, as I stated, in next year. I love this. It came out awesome. I love the green, the red and the gold, and it sparkles on the black. I'm going to show you what I was making for a customer. I had did these early part of the year, so the customer wanted one for a Christmas gift. So here it is. Texans. So if you have any Texan fans, be happy to make you one. If you're a Dallas fan like me, I will make you one as well. Pittsburgh, whoever you for, the Saints, I will make that too. So I want to tell you guys thank you for stopping in. Please share this. I will be doing more tutorials for you guys so you guys can see how I do all my crafting and all of that. This is called a heat press. This one is a big one. So when I bring it out, I normally bring it out when I'm doing multiple shirts, because it's heavy. It's a heavy duty one, so you have to. It pulls a lot of electricity, so it's hard for me to do just one. You know, I will. It's not a problem. I will do that, but I would love to do like at least 20 or 25 or more to bring it out. But no, as I stated before, no job is too big or too small for Wreaths for Veronica. So please let her help you in all your special activities. And bye-bye. Merry Christmas again.